Hey everybody, another Consport video. This one's on the counting principle. And basically this is just so you can figure out how many combinations of things there are, right? So it says Rossi is planning a date with his girlfriend. He plans for them to watch a movie, go out for dinner, and then attend a sporting event. So they're going to do those three different things, right? They're going to watch a movie, go out to dinner, and then attend a sporting event. He is deciding between 5 movies, 8 restaurants, and 2 sporting events. How many different dates can he plan? All right. So basically, you've got a 3 event compound probability problem here, right? Where the movies is out of 5, the restaurants is out of 8, and the sporting events is out of 2. So all you're really asking yourself is how many combinations are there possible? So you just multiply these together, right? Because that's going to be the new denominator, right? The new possible combinations that could occur. So literally just multiply the number of movies you can choose from times the number of restaurants times the number of sporting events. So you get the calculator out and you go, okay, that's just 5 times 8 and then times 2. And that's the answer. So it's going to be 80 possibilities. He has 80 dates that he can make. All right? And then you go to the next one. So the next one, let's move this up here. So this one says Tony allows his customers to create their own pizza. The customers choose exactly one type of crust, sauce, cheese, and meat for their pizza. The following table shows the options available to customers. So they only can choose one crust, one sauce, one cheese, and one meat topping. So you just have to ask yourself, well, how many of each of these things are there, right? Well, it looks like for the crust options, you've got these 4 choices. For the sauce options, you've got these 4 choices. For the cheese options, you've got these 3 choices. And then for the meat options, you have these 4 choices. So it's really fourths, thirds, and then, fourths, third, and then thirds, and then fourths. So you're going to multiply these all together to figure out how many total combinations there could be. So you just grab the calculator. How many choices of crust are there? 4. How many choices of sauce options are there? There's going to be 4. There's tomato, pesto, Alfredo, and ranch. How many choices for the cheese? There's 3. There's just the mozzarella, cheddar, and Italian blend. And how many choices are there for the pepperoni, sausage, and chicken? For the meats, it's 4. And that's it. Multiply it together. There you go. What are the total combinations that he could get? He's choosing from all these different things. He could make 192 different pizzas. All right. Next one. Ula is going on an outdoor expedition with his family. The expedition will include a hunting event, a fishing event, a hiking event, and a camping event. So one of each of those. There are 4 hunting, 7 fishing, 6 hiking, and 3 camping events for Ula's family to choose from. Okay, so he has one of each of these categories. So we're going to basically be multiplying fourths times sevenths times sixths times thirds. So to multiply all those together to find out how many things are possible. So it's going to be 4 times 7 times 6 times 3. And the fact that he's only choosing one of each of these events is why you can just multiply them all together. Because it's 1 hunting, 1 fishing, 1 hiking, and 1 camping. So that means it's going to be a 1 as the numerator for all these. And none of these are going to get repeated. So that's perfect. So just multiply them together and you get the total possibilities. How many different trips expeditions can he plan? He can plan 504 different expeditions with these selection choices. Okay, that's the number of combinations that they can make. And then the last one, Bruce and Krista are going to buy a new furniture set for their living room. They want to buy a couch, a coffee table, and a recliner. They have narrowed it down so that they are choosing between 4 couches, 5 coffee tables, and 9 recliners. So they want one of each of those things. Once again, we can use the counting principle. And we're just going to count how many options they have. Well, we got the 4 for the first category, 5 for the second, and 9 for the third. So you're literally just going to multiply together the 4 times the 5 times the 9. There's 4 times 5 times 9. And that's going to be your answer. That's the total number of combinations of furniture that they can buy. 180. And that's it. Okay. Hope that helped. Let me stop the video.